Welcome to this second Colayla Java video. As an example of Java, we will integrate the Lucene Search Engine into Colayer in this video. So Lucene is basically the major search engine, open source search engine, and it is written all in Java, so a good example for us. But let's talk first about naming convention for Colayer. So as we saw in the first example, we have done a class Colayer and a cofun in Colayer, and we have exported that and then uploaded it to Java_hello world. And then we could use that, we could call that by directly calling Java_hello world, the semi-ID. That worked because we have used exactly the default names. Now if you want to use another function name, you will have to append this other function name with an underscore behind your Java full ID, and then it will work. And if you have both another class name and another function name, you simply append both. As a package, you use the default package or you use the package Colayer. And please do use all small cases always for co-functions, because the co-engine is not case sensitive, so it gets converted to small cases anyway. So like this, we have done a new project called Search, a package Colayer this time, and in there we have two classes, a helper class and the main Colayer class, which we will call then. And in the Colayer class we have four functions. We have an ini function to initialize the connection. Then we have an add function to add a sem into the index. Then we have a rem function to remove a sem from the index, and we have a find function which finds with a specific search string, according to a specific search string, sems in there. So then we have to download Apache. We do this with the Apache site. Going to the Apache mirrors. Apache mirrors, using the first one, we reach here and we use the latest, and we download any of these formats. So we downloaded a zip, we unzipped it to D:, and then we imported it here. So we used import file system from directory D, Lucene, yes, the Lucene, okay, and then we only need this, the core. This too we can mark, and then we can say search/Lucene, so into folder. So now we have it in here, and now we have to add it into the path also. So configure build path, add jar, okay. From Lucene we add this, okay, and now all these red things disappear. Now we can export it. Important, please export it as a runnable jar. So you need a main function also in your Colayer function. We export it to D search jar, okay. And then we go back to Colayer. We edit our Java sem. We upload D search. All right. And once this is done, we will be able to run our search test, which we have prepared here. So this is done, and now we can run the search test, which is successful. You can have a look at this search test by going inside, and here you will also see how to call this. Search ini we have to call first, and then according to the naming convention.